Hey, what's up, guys? I'm gonna show you how to clean or repair a charging port for an Android device. So basically, this one doesn't detect the charger. As you can tell, it doesn't go in all the way, and usually indicates because there's like stuff stuck inside. If you could see it that it's not physically damaged, then most likely it just needs cleaning. Unfortunately, unlike the iPhone ones, you would need a very thin tool. You could use some type of like tweezers that are thin, or you could even use like a sewing needle. Basically, what you want to do is go in between the middle part and the edges and just kind of like scrape outwards. And then little by little, you start to see the dirt come out. And then you just keep scraping like that. And then you want to go the other side as well. You want to keep doing it until you can no longer see any type of dirt anymore coming out from the port, and as long as the charger is flat, like that, there's a lot of stuff. Another thing that you could use is air duster. Is an air duster. Alright, so once you scrape it, pretty much as much as you can, there's some dirt. Use an air duster. You could buy this at your local Walmart, Target, or even Best Buy. So you see how the dirt come out. Now plug it in again, test it out, see if it works. And ta-da, that's it. And you could tell it's more flat now. What you could also do is get like a toothbrush and get alcohol if you want to purify the pins. But you don't necessarily need to do that, as long as you pretty much scrape out all the dirt that's inside, and you should be set. Before it wasn't detecting because it was stuck halfway out, and now it goes all the way in and it detects. Thank you guys for watching.